Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. People who do more chores during childhood tend to have more professional success and happiness later in life. Ronaldo breaks new record, has launched his YouTube channel and more than a million subscribers signed up within the first 90 minutes. The rare super blue moon in close up. Science is not the truth. Science is finding the truth. When science changes its opinion, it did not lie to you, it learned more. The world's oldest cat, who is 31, looks exactly how you would think the oldest cat would look. In 2016, a renowned Japanese ice cream company created a commercial to publicly apologize about needing to raise the price of their ice cream bars for the first time in 25 years history from 60 yen to 70 yen. Great Hornbill's Quick Berry Toss. This masterpiece is called The Impact of a Book. 45% of parents are willing to go into debt to take their children to Disney. Meet the octopus that has yet to be formally described since its discovery in 2016. Spiders kill more than 400 million tons of insects annually. That's more than all the meat humans eat each year. It takes approximately 2 months and $35,000 to reach the summit of Mount Everest. A Herman Miller chair found at Goodwill for $4.99. With the average packet of ramen costing a consumer only 13 cents, you could eat 3 square meals a day for an entire year for just $142.65. It only takes 23 minutes of grocery shopping for the brain to stop making rational decisions. People who regularly cook at home eat healthier even when dining out. 25% of the world's hazelnut crop is used to make Nutella each year. Strawberries fight aging. Around 1/3 of all the food produced in the world is lost or wasted. Using electronic devices after dusk can disrupt your sleep cycle. Hundreds of ducks are employed at South Africa. If you are 188 cm 6 feet 2 inches tall, then you're taller than 94% of the world. Grapes relax your blood vessels. 25% of all Russian men die before they reach their mid-50s, mainly due to vodka. Don't lie down immediately after taking medicines. You should listen to music at a volume no louder than a microwave's beep, 85 dB. Opioorphin is an indigenous chemical compound first isolated from human saliva. Initial research with mice shows the compound has a pain-killing effect greater than that of morphine. During the Second World War, Solomon Islands was the site of a significant sea battle between the Allies and the Japanese, resulting in losses of warships and smaller vessels, some of which remain within the reach and can be seen during a trip to the islands. Highway hypnosis, also known as white line fever, is an altered mental state in which a person can drive a car, truck, or other automobile great distances, responding to external events in the expected safe and correct manner with no recollection of having consciously done so. They say you are what you eat, and green sea turtles take that seriously. Unlike other sea turtles, the green sea turtle's diet is so rich in greens that it makes their fat green and ends up giving them their name. Green sea turtles have incredible lung capacity. Once hatched, only the females will return to land, and only when it's time to lay their eggs. With their incredible lung capacity, green sea turtles can stay underwater for up to 5 hours without breaking the surface for air. Green sea turtles are born with a very specific tooth known as egg tooth. When they hatch, they use this tooth to break their shells. They then leave their nesting beach and head into oceanic waters. In 1730, French pirate Olivier allegedly tossed a necklace containing a puzzle that leads to his treasure into a crowd of people moments before his execution. He told the crowd to go find it if they can. Had a stressful day, take some time at night to think of three things that actually went right. It may be hard at first, but ending the day with a small positive thought sets you up for a positive tomorrow. Phagocytosis refers to the process by which certain living cells called phagocytes engulf other cells, particles, and even pathogens. The phagocytosis process occurs when the cell tries to destroy foreign particles or pathogens such as bacteria or an infected cell. Very hot, scorching. Very big, huge. Very clean, spotless. Very happy, elated. Very dirty, filthy. Very tired, exhausted. Thanks for watching.